The Theory of Political Economy by William Stanley Jevons. Chapter 4 Theory of Exchange. Part 1 Importance of Exchange in Economics. Exchange is so important a process in the maximizing of utility and the saving of labor that some economists have regarded their science as treating of this operation alone. Utility arises from commodities being brought in suitable quantities and at the proper times into the possession of persons needing them, and it is by exchange, more than any other means, that this is effected. Trade is not indeed the only method of economizing. A single individual may gain in utility by a proper consumption of the stock in his possession. The best employment of labor and capital by a single person is also a question disconnected from that of exchange, and which must yet be treated in the science. But with these exceptions, I am perfectly willing to agree with the high importance attributed to exchange. It is impossible to have a correct idea of the science of economics without a perfect comprehension of the theory of exchange, and I find it both possible and desirable to consider this subject before introducing any notions concerning labor or the production of commodities. In these words of John Stuart Mill, I thoroughly concur. Almost every speculation respecting the economical interests of a society thus constituted implies some theory of value. The smallest error on that subject infects with corresponding error all our other conclusions, and anything vague or misty in our conception of it creates confusion and uncertainty in everything else. But when he proceeds to say happily, there is nothing in the laws of value which remain for the present or any future writer to clear up, the theory of the subject is complete. He utters that which would be rash to say of any of the sciences.